everybody! Welcome back for another specking adventure. My name is Tiffany and this is my NB2 Miata. This is a die hub. Reason why I chose a die hub is because I fit perfectly in this car. I'm almost 5'4", and my seating position with my corn seats are perfect for me. I like how the original the OEM steering wheel position feels like, and I want to retain as close to that stock position as possible. I will measure the OEM position first, and then after I install it, I will measure it again, and then that way you can see if it actually is as close to stock as possible, okay? Now, moving on to the exciting part. Some of you have probably seen the steering wheel already since it's been like 2 years old, but it was a limited release when this thing came out. I really liked it because of like a minor detail on the item. So I will show you what that is.
It's like a pizza box.
That's exactly what I got. It's a 2-year-old pizza for Chatter.
Pepperoni pizza.
Yes. So as you can see here, it's 190 out of 200. Unveiling the pizza. There it is. You know how some of you guys, you buy the thing and then a lot of you like automatically want to like throw it on your car? I'm like the complete opposite of that. I just hoard stuff. I just buy stuff I like and then put it on a shelf somewhere in the house, and then I just forget about it and I never install it until Tommy is like, hey, what about that item? And then I'm like, oh yeah, I should probably throw it on the car, right, since I spent money on it. Anyways, this is one of those items, and the tiny detail that I was talking about that, you know, made me pull the trigger is actually this small little blue that stands out amongst like the gray silver stitching on the rest of this steering wheel. Before I even bought this, I bought a steering wheel horn, like those like aftermarket ones. I tend to buy things before I have the thing that it's supposed to go on. I used to have a Yaris, and you know these wheels right here? These are actually for the Yaris. But the thing is, these are supposed to be for a white Yaris that I envisioned myself owning, but I never owned a white Yaris. I owned a blue one. I'm like, okay, let me just drive the blue Yaris and then see how I like it, and when I like it enough, I'll buy a white one. I never found a white one, but then I ended up buying these in preparation for the white one that I was going to own that I still have not owned yet. So I don't know what the hell these are for. Anyways, let me show you the horn. So if you're Miata people, you probably know of Rev Limiter. He came out with this like a while ago, and when I saw it, I was like, oh, you know, like I think it'll match really nicely with my Nyan Cat gauges, because the Nyan Cat is like kind of like has that rainbow theme going, right? So I bought this, and it's a really nice looking horn by itself. But when I bought this, I didn't have a steering wheel for it, right? So ultimately, I didn't know what steering wheel I was gonna get. So look at how this pairs up now. God, it looks like a fucking grocery shopping list. Like I don't know what this is. I don't think it looks good. Like it's rainbow here and it's blue and gray here. Like just doesn't match. It's like not the vibes, you know?
So what is it measuring at?
21 centimeters. Did I say 21? 21 cm, right?
Yep.
Yeah, cm.
Not millimeter.
Dude, I don't know. Barely graduated. Damn. I'm gonna squeeze it.
Nice.
Is there a chance that it's still gonna pop?
It might.
What, really?
You know,
why would it pop even if the battery is not connected?
because there are residual
What does that even mean?
residual power.
I'm scared! So if I take out this thing, is it gonna fall out?
No. You're like those white delivering a baby.
Yeah. It's okay, you're ready to come out.
Yeah,
You got this. Push.
what? Scary.
Get away from me! It's a bomb. Is this scarier or is your compressed spring on your E36 scarier?
I think both are scary.
Which has a higher risk of detonating?
I think the spring has a higher chance.
Probably, right?
Yeah. It's pretty dead center to me. No? There you go.
So the die-K hub does come with this little resistor, and this is supposed to be plugged into here. That is supposed to eliminate the airbag light from coming on now that I won't be running an airbag. It didn't come with the horn connector, which is supposed to go here. And so what we're doing right now is we are gonna cut the horn
Connector.
wire here and then use this and fab it on over.
The reason why we can't really disconnect it is because it's riveted on. So the only way really is to just chop the wire.
Yeah, you can see it here. There's no way to unbolt or unscrew or anything like that.
Finally get to use this helping hands. Finally bought it for a while, have always wanted one of these. I don't have 3-4 hands to hold the wires together.
I mean, you could grow some. I'm always really scared of those packaging. Like, you could fucking lose a hand. Oh, you can lose a hand and you can buy another helping hand.
Usually these aftermarket horn, it comes with two wire. Like they come with like a power wire and a ground wire. I just chop this in half and then I'm gonna solder it with the stock horn wire connector. I don't think you do it like that. But you're supposed to
Yo, if it sticks, it sticks, you know what I'm
No,
saying?
you're supposed to have the soldering iron underneath the wire. You heat up the wire to the to really hot, and then you put the solder over it, over the wires. You don't dab it like that.
Oh no, it's starting to be like little nuggets.
Yeah, because you keep dabbing it like that.
Ah!
The lazy way to heat shrink.
Maybe like a little bit more.
Sweet.
Oh. I burned the rubber.
Yeah, I don't want to burn it. Should be good enough.
It smells like birthday cake.
So what we got here, Tiffany?
What do you mean? We got what?
This cable right here.
It's for the horn. It's for the horn!
Alright, let's go. So it looks like Tiffany's putting on the hub. I think there's like 2 little tabs in the back. That's it?
Yeah.
And also you want to feed all the wires through actually.
Oh. Feet.
Yeah, because like there's a cutout on your hub.
What? Oh, yeah, okay.
And then you also want to feed.
Can't feed it through here.
So you want to do it the other way. Oh, actually is there like a...
It's hella big how you feed it through.
Yeah, so you try to feed it through. Or if not, try to do it like turn it around. You do it here.
Boy. Do what?
Oh,
Where?
just don't feed it. You just have to like tape it onto the.
What are you talking about? Tape what? You can't even get neither of these through.
Yeah, then don't worry about it.
I mean, don't worry about it.
How
are you gonna connect these two things?
Just connect it and then just stuff it in the back there.
Oh, you're saying don't even feed it through.
Yeah. Can you do it the other way around? Like put the resistor through?
No, it's a hella big. It's like a block of cheese. What the fuck? Pizza. Okay, so which one do I use?
So you put it on,
One.
see whatever. Yeah, so most likely the countersunk one. And then,
Countersunk.
you know, is there any countersunk bolt?
I don't even know what that means. What are you saying?
Like,
Foreign language. Yo, I be missing some.
you just took that off.
Yeah, I know.
It rolled under your seat.
No, I dropped one, but how come I'm missing two? How do you miss something you just took out?
Dude, that's Tiffany for you.
What the fuck? Dude, I literally just took you out. Where'd you go? Like, Shippy disappear in front of my eyes, dude. I'm missing a bolt. I don't have a horn, I don't have a bolt. I just saw it. It was so ugly. This is a gunmetal gray.
No, that should be okay.
So, the horn's in, as you can see. One thing we had to put in was this retainer, and this is for the placement of the horn button. It's to hold the horn in place. The rev limiter kit actually comes with one of these, and so we ended up putting one in. Yeah, I'd say like 19 and a half, 20.
Yeah,
Somewhere around
it's
there.
pretty close.
Yeah, so I'd say
It's
like
about the same.
19 and a half to 20. So your difference is maybe about 1 centimeter to 1.5.
Are you talking about centimeter or inch right now? 21
One
centimeter?
would be inches.
Oh, 21.
Which is hella far,
Oh, yeah.
bro. This is 21 inches. I'd be sitting all the way back there. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Specking Adventure. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and remember to like the video and hit subscribe if you like this type of content. Follow us for more Specking Adventure. Bye!